Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Cool Product, where today we're exploring the top 5 best multifunctional digital air fryer models that combine speed, versatility, and healthier cooking in one powerful appliance. Let's find the perfect upgrade for your kitchen. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the T-fal Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. The T-fal Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is designed to bring speed, convenience, and consistency to everyday cooking. Built with advanced heating technology and a compact yet efficient design, it aims to simplify meal preparation while delivering restaurant-style results at home. One of its standout features is the rapid heat-up system. This air fryer reaches up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit in just 45 seconds using a carbon fiber heating element. It eliminates the need for preheating, helping save time and energy while maintaining quiet operation. The fast and even heating ensures meals are ready quickly without sacrificing quality. Equipped with infrared thermal diffusion technology, this air fryer oven combo goes beyond standard air frying. The infrared heat penetrates food deeply, locking in natural juices while ensuring consistent top-to-bottom cooking. This results in meals that are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The appliance supports multifunctional cooking with 7 preset programs: air fry, broil, roast, bake, reheat, toast, and a dedicated crispy finish mode. This variety allows users to prepare a wide range of dishes with minimal effort, while the crispy finish function enhances texture for more flavorful results. With a 6-quart capacity, it is well suited for small households. It can handle full meals for 2 people, side dishes for families, or even a 3-pound chicken. The design focuses on efficient use of counter space while still providing ample cooking room. Easy food release and quick cleanup make it practical for daily use. The air fryer also emphasizes comfort and usability. It operates at an ultra-quiet 44 decibels, making it suitable for peaceful kitchen environments. The no-shake technology ensures even cooking without manual intervention. Additionally, the always-on lighted window allows users to monitor food progress without opening the appliance. Overall, the T-fal Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer combines speed, precision, and versatility in a compact kitchen appliance designed for modern cooking needs. Next up, at number 4, we have the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is a versatile countertop cooking appliance designed to bring multiple cooking methods together in a single compact unit. It is built for users who want convenience, speed, and healthier meal preparation without sacrificing taste or texture. This multifunctional air fryer allows you to air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, and roast, giving you a wide range of cooking options from one device. Whether you are preparing crispy snacks, baking simple dishes, or slow roasting meats, the appliance is engineered to deliver consistent results. Its rapid air heating technology ensures even circulation of heat, allowing food to cook faster than traditional ovens without the need for preheating. One of its key highlights is healthier cooking. By using up to 98% less oil than conventional frying methods, it helps you prepare meals that are lighter while still maintaining a crispy and flavorful finish. This makes it suitable for everyday cooking as well as more health-conscious meal planning. The appliance is designed for simplicity and ease of use. With 17 preset cooking options and a capacitive touch control screen, it allows users of all experience levels to prepare meals quickly and efficiently. The interface is intuitive, making it easy to select cooking modes, adjust settings, and start cooking with minimal effort. For added functionality, it comes fully equipped with 3 airflow racks, a stainless steel rotisserie spit with retrieval tool, and a drip tray. These accessories expand its cooking capabilities and make it suitable for a variety of recipes and meal styles. Its extra-large 10-liter capacity is ideal for families or meal prepping, allowing you to prepare larger portions in one go. The built-in interior light and large viewing window let you monitor cooking progress without opening the door, helping maintain consistent temperature and cooking quality. Overall, this all-in-one air fryer oven combines speed, versatility, and convenience, making it a practical addition to modern kitchens. Taking the third spot is the Cosori Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. The Cosori Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is designed to bring faster, healthier, and more convenient cooking into modern kitchens. Built with upgraded TurboBlaze technology, it delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed combined with temperatures reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This combination helps create consistently crispy, golden textures on the outside while keeping food juicy and tender inside. At the heart of its performance is a refined heating system featuring a unique 5-fan speed control and precise temperature regulation ranging from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This advanced airflow design ensures even heat distribution, allowing meals to cook thoroughly and uniformly without constant monitoring. From everyday snacks to full family meals, the results are balanced and reliable. The air fryer also introduces a PFAS-free ceramic coating on both the basket and crisper tray. This non-stick surface enhances durability while supporting a cleaner and healthier cooking experience. It is engineered to withstand high heat while making food release and cleaning easier after each use. With a spacious 6-quart square basket, the design prioritizes both capacity and practicality. The wide and deep structure makes it suitable for preparing meals for families while maintaining a compact footprint that fits comfortably on kitchen counters or inside cabinets. TurboBlaze technology also contributes to faster cooking times, helping reduce overall meal preparation without compromising quality. This makes it especially useful for busy households that need efficient cooking solutions during hectic schedules. Noise control is another key highlight. Operating at under 53 decibels, even at maximum fan speed, the air fryer maintains a quieter kitchen environment, allowing users to cook without disruptive sound. Overall, the Cosori Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer combines speed, precision, and thoughtful design upgrades to support everyday cooking with greater ease and consistency. Coming in at number 2 is the Instant Pot Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is designed to bring versatility and convenience to modern home cooking, combining multiple kitchen appliances into a single powerful unit. With 7 built-in cooking functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and rotisserie, it allows users to prepare a wide variety of meals with minimal effort and little to no preheating time. Equipped with customizable smart programs, the air fryer offers 6 one-touch presets that simplify cooking different recipes. Whether it's preparing a crispy rotisserie chicken, baking soft cookies, or dehydrating snacks, users can achieve consistent results with just a button press. A standout feature is its even crisp technology, which delivers a satisfying crunch using up to 95% less oil compared to traditional deep frying methods. This makes it a practical option for preparing lighter meals without compromising texture or flavor. The design also includes a large front viewing window, allowing users to monitor their food without opening the door and interrupting the cooking process. This helps maintain consistent heat and makes it easier to keep track of progress. With a 10-quart family-sized capacity, the appliance is suitable for preparing up to 6 portions at once, making it ideal for families, gatherings, or meal prepping. Its 1,500-watt power system ensures efficient performance, operating at 120V and 60 Hz, and it is ETL certified for safety standards. Built-in safety features such as overheat protection and auto-off functionality provide added peace of mind during use. Altogether, the Instant Pot Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer offers a practical all-in-one cooking solution designed to simplify everyday meal preparation while supporting a wide range of recipes. And finally, our top pick, the Gourmia Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. The Gourmia Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is designed as an all-in-one kitchen solution that brings together versatility, capacity, and modern cooking convenience in a single countertop appliance. With its spacious 14-quart interior, it is built to handle family-sized meals, making it suitable for preparing everything from crispy fries and baked dishes to full rotisserie chickens. At the heart of its design is multifunction cooking, supported by 12 one-touch presets. These preset options allow users to easily prepare a wide variety of foods, such as fries, roasted vegetables, baked goods, and even homemade jerky with just a simple top. The included rotisserie spit expands its functionality further, enabling even roasting for whole chickens and other large cuts of meat, offering a more traditional roasting experience with modern efficiency. The air fryer uses FryForce 360-degree technology, which circulates hot air evenly around the food. This helps achieve a crispy texture on the outside while maintaining tenderness inside, all while using significantly less oil compared to traditional frying methods. It is designed to support healthier cooking without compromising on taste or texture. With a power output of 1,750 watts and a temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the appliance provides flexible control for different cooking styles. Whether slow cooking, baking, air frying, or roasting, it adapts easily to a wide variety of recipes. Despite its large capacity, the design remains countertop-friendly, measuring 15 inches deep, 13.5 inches wide, and 16 inches high. Cleaning is also simplified through dishwasher-safe accessories, including removable baskets, racks, and tools. This makes maintenance more convenient after everyday cooking or larger meal preparations. Overall, the Gourmia Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer combines capacity, automation, and versatility in a single device, making it a practical addition for households looking to simplify meal preparation while exploring a wide range of cooking options. Ready to upgrade your cooking game? Check the price link in the description to find the best one for your kitchen. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more top kitchen picks and honest reviews.